Hi, this is Andy Cole with TEC, the Elevator Consultants. We're looking at a car top here. And the roller guide system, although this is on a hydraulic elevator, we're only going about 100 to 125 feet per minute. But the roller guide system on this elevator in particular, I have two different rollers, and I also have a roller that is not even touching the rail anymore because all the plastic and the rubber compound of the actual roller have worn off. They've just completely disintegrated off of this. The problem with this is if this elevator is used in a move or shifts or does anything, if it shifts forward, my door operator and my door equipment are going to get severely damaged because they're going to hit the sill of the elevator and cause a real problem. So anytime you have roller guides, they need to be maintained and they need to be basically the same roller guide assemblies. You don't want to mix and match these. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out our other videos. If you'd like more information on our company for the Elevator Consultants, you can look at tecvt.com or theelevatораpp.com. Thank you.